So welcome to this video, and in this video we're quickly going to see how to connect a domain to the hosting. So basically domain to hosting is nothing, just when you buy a whenever you buy a new domain, you will get it in your account, and then you need to buy a hosting, and then there is an option to connect your hosting and your domain. So as you can see, this is my subdomain. So subdomain is nothing but a part of the original domain. As you can see here, this is hpanel.hostinger.com. So hostinger.com is showing me the hpanel here. So simply I have created this subdomain try.aveducations.com. As you can see, my account has been created. So currently it is not showing anything. It is connected to my uh, hosting. So our domain and hostings are connected. This is all you need to see. If there was my original domain, then also it will show this page. But remember, it will not show this page until you buy hosting. So you have to buy both domain and hosting. Then only you can connect them. So hey guys, welcome to another video. And in this video, we are quickly going to see what is a cPanel. So cPanel is basically your control panel or hosting panel, also called as hpanel, and all the necessary tools, all the necessary resources you need to control your website are available here. So we will start with the hosting control panel. As I have used hosting from the past 3 years, and this is one of the best hosting you will get at this price point. This is the best hosting with the best speed and the best resources. Also, I have used many other resources, but they were not as good as this. And this is the most beginner friendly hosting I have seen during my entire career. So, if you are a beginner and want to start your own WordPress website, then I'll extremely recommend this hosting to you. I will add a link on my blog post to the hostinger, and you can buy it from there. So, let's quickly see what is the dashboard. Okay, so this is my website. My dashboard has everything for me. As you can see here, you can see everything. And if you buy hosting from any other hosting provider, you may see different than this. But these all features are available nearly everywhere. If you can't do it from here, you can do it from the WordPress dashboard. So here we can see all my plugins, and here are all my plugins, and we can also see my dash. You can see my website is using redirect HTTPS. These are the speech and security, automated WordPress patches monitoring, and all that. So this is only the cPanel. You don't need to touch anything much here. Just this is just for setting up your website and nothing else. So that is all for this lecture. You can buy hosting and enjoy your journey of learning WordPress. This is not much costly. It is around $2-3 per month, and every student can buy hosting. You can easily buy hosting and take your WordPress website online and share it with your friends and family. You can start your business, you can start your blog. So yeah, this is all it needs to start your online journey. And that's all for this lecture. I will see you in the next one. Hello friends, and so welcome to the next lecture. So in this lecture we are going to see how to install WordPress on our domain. So first of all, we'll go to our cPanel, and here you need to select your domain, as you can see everyeducation.com. So here you can select your main domain, and after this we are going to website and click on auto installer. After going to auto installer, we are quickly going to select WordPress, and we are going to say try.everyeducations.com, password, email, and website title. So opening this, you are going to ask, you are going to enter all your details like username, password, email, and later we are going to see, we are going to say try AV educations. Okay, then database we are going to select create new database. Password can also be anything, and we can select this, and everything is ready. Now we are going to move, click on install. So it says password must contain at least one number. So let's say install. So as you can see, it has started building my WordPress website. It can take around 3 to 5 minutes depending on the server. This is the best hosting. Other servers can take around 10 to 15 minutes also. So you have to wait, get a banana or milk, or get some. Oh, it's done. You can't have banana now. So we are going to, let's say, force HTTPS and install SSL. This actually provides me a free SSL because I have a business hosting. So whenever you buy your first website, domain, and hosting on Hostinger, you will also get a free SSL. So you don't have to worry about anything. You will get everything for free. So I think our website is now created. Let's say how we can find a website. Let's see. Okay, so let's say update your WordPress information. Okay, so here is the link. I was searching for the link. So this is our website. Yo, so as you can see, our website is ready. Now I can simply go to here and wp admin. Let's see if we can log into this. Of course we are going to log into this. For any reason, if you are not able to log in, you can always change your WordPress website settings from here, and forgot password or anything. So no, there is no need to worry. That's why this is called control panel. Okay, so finally we are able to log into a website, and this is save. Let me save. So finally this is our WordPress dashboard, and I have explained everything further in this course, so there is no need to worry. So that's all for this lecture guys, and I'll see you in the next one.